In this video, you will discover how to quickly generate quotations and invoices with docotive in just a few easy steps. Let's get started with it. I am logged into my Monday account where I have a board called Invoice Demo containing all the sample data in it. Now, I will generate an invoice for my client ABC company. Here comes our first step, that is, install docotive view on Monday board. Click on plus sign next to main table. Go to apps, select docotive. I have already installed docotive on my Monday account, so I am installing it from my installed apps. If you are installing docotive for the first time, you can search for an app on Monday's Marketplace. I have also made a video on installing docotive app from Marketplace. Link is given below in the description. Once you have installed it on your board, you can select the format of your generated document. In my case, I want my generated invoices in PDF format, so I have selected Generate PDF Document. Then you have Delivery Settings. In Delivery Settings, you will select how you would like to receive or share the documents. You can send it to the user who generated it, to the user on the board, or to anyone who is not Monday.com user. I want to attach my generated document in the file column. Here I don't have one, so I'm creating a one by clicking plus sign, and also you can attach it to the conversation feed. After that, you have document design. Here you will select entity document design because I want data from a particular row in the main table. Now first step is prepare your template. Quick tutorial is there for your help. Then replace placeholders. Again, the quick tutorial is there for your help. You can view list of all placeholders in document placeholder. Then upload your Word template here. Finally, name your generated document. By default, it is item name. Now, let's move on to step 2. Add a Word template. Since we are starting from scratch, I will walk you through the process of creating a Word template. This is my sample invoice, and I want the generated invoice to have a similar design. Here is the raw Word template for the invoice. To finalize this Word template, the only thing to do is to paste the placeholders in it. Go to Document Placeholders in Docotive Settings. Here you will get the list of all the placeholders that you can use in your Word template. In this invoice, I want the client name to appear here, followed by the billing address here. Similarly, I want the invoice number, date, and due date to be displayed on this side. To do this, I will go to Document Placeholders in the docotive view. Since they are the single entity, I will copy it from the docotive view and paste it into the Word template. It is simple as that. In the same way, I will copy the other details and paste them into the Word template one by one. Now it's time to display sub-items. To do this, go back to Document Placeholders. This time select Common and copy Table Rows, as we need to display sub-item rows. Next, paste it in the Word template in first column and add some sample text in the following columns. Please note, we add sample text to apply style to different columns, and they cannot be left empty. Go to sub-item columns and select table columns. By default, all columns in the sub-items are selected. Please tick that you want in your invoice. In this case, I want item name, quantity, unit price, discount in percent, and total. And then save settings. Now to display subtotal, discount given, GST, shipping and grand total. Again copy placeholders from document placeholders and paste them in the Word template one by one. Let's give some final styling to our invoice Word template. I am removing table borders and want amount in bold, and also removing borders on the bottom table. Save this template on your computer. It's time to upload the invoice Word template. Go to Document Design and click Upload Template. Name your generated invoice document. Then final save the settings. With this, we come to our final step, that is add an integration recipe. For that, click Integrate button on your board at the top, search for docotive, select docotive integrations. Docotive provides pre-built integration recipes to choose from for your scenario. Here I am choosing this one, that is when button click generate item document using settings from docotive view. I am adding a new button column in it. If you already have one, you can select that. Here it is, when button is clicked, it will generate invoice using docotive view. With that, we have automated our workflow. Go to main table, and this is a button that we have just created, showing our integration recipe in it. You can rename button and can also give color to it. Now, it's time to generate your professional document. In this case, it's an invoice. Click Generate Invoice button. Wow! Here's your invoice. Click PDF icon to open it. Here is your generated invoice. You can also find your generated invoices under Document tab in the Document view. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to contact us at support@docotive.com. We are there to help you.